guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this eyeshadow look, spring eyeshadow look. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, welcome back to it. I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil by Believe Beauty, and I'm gonna use this eyebrow gel by Benefit Cosmetics. And now I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows using this Morphe concealer, and it's in the shade 125, I think, or 155. And I'm gonna use the same Morphe concealer to prime my eyelids. So I'm pretty sure everybody knows why to do this, but when you do eyeshadow, you're supposed to prime your eyelids with eyeshadow primer or concealer. That way the eyeshadow can stand out and be more vibrant. And now I'm gonna set the concealer using this Nika K Perfection Finishing Powder. Me personally, I like to set the concealer because that way the eyeshadow can be more smoother and apply smoother, but you don't have to set the concealer if you don't want to. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon, and I did a review of this eyeshadow palette. I will link it in the description if you guys want to watch it. I'm gonna start off using this light bluish greenish color that's at the bottom. I do use it as a transition color. So I'm just packing on the color and building up the color, blending it out. So now I'm gonna take the green shade that's above the blue shade that we used, and I'm gonna pack that on. I'm just packing on the green shade in the outer corner, in the inner corner, and just packing it on and blending it up to the crease. Then I'm gonna go back in with that blue shade and just a little bit. I'm gonna cut my crease and I'm gonna use the same Morphe concealer. So I'm just putting the concealer on my eyelids and then lifting my eyelid up to see where to cut my crease, and then I'm just gonna carve it out. And then I just did a little liner concealer just to carve out that area, because that's where I'm gonna put the yellow eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna take the green shimmer shade that's above the green shade, and I'm gonna put that where I cut my crease. So now I'm gonna take the Profusion Yellow Fusion palette, the yellow shade that's at the bottom, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line where my lashes are. So I just took a little eyeshadow, a little angled eyeshadow brush, and just applied the eyeshadow where I cut the crease at the bottom and did like a wing eyeliner. So now I'm gonna mascara, and I'm gonna use this mascara by Too Faced. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of that green shade and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna take that same yellow shade and I'm gonna put it above the green shade. For lipstick, I'm gonna wear this lipstick by Bella Puree. It's like a brown lipstick. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, check out other videos that are related to this one. It will be in the description. If you're into makeup and you enjoy watching makeup video, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.